I was right! He became... Starscream became king! I don't know how this guy did it, but, however, he did it. Starscream won. Tonight, coming this year, we're gonna draw Quintesson Starscream. The final boss for the Quintesson arc. That son of a traitor sold us out! Giving the Quintessons the coordinates for the Allspark? How dare he? Who does that? Get this. After Starscream handed the Quintessons the coordinates for the Allspark, he was granted the greatest power that their race can give to anyone in the cosmos. He became a Quintesson judge. But it came at a price. His body was altered and had some modifications to his system. They removed his Cybertronian body and replaced with a new one. And was given a Quintesson body. And well, Quintesson Starscream has to share that. Quintesson Starscream, much like most Quintessons, their race has to share a body with 3 or more personalities. The Cybertronian race is the Cybertronian judge of their universe has a well. Starscream's body has to share a... His species are the one we know, Cybertronian. There is a gray Martian-like race that probes his enemies. And a piranha-like race that devours their enemies. I'll draw those in a minute. Can one of you please make up your mind? I know Starscream is judge of his own universe, And he'd plead me guilty if I ever messed up. Well, when he came back, remember when I drew King Starscream? Well, he said if I messed up on drawing him, he would have my skull as his trophy. I would not let that happen. Yes, I still have the Starscream action figure. I'm not blind. One thing I don't get, though. Some of my Transformers episodes, they haven't been getting much views. Don't you guys watch Transformers as much as I do? Especially the ones that I've recently been watching on Netflix. I don't know what the hell happened to Starscream after that fight. Here are the tentacles that stick out of his back. If you ask me, this is like Sonic Prime. I know the Quintesson race is really difficult to find. I know I've drawn them in the past. But this one? Wow. Well, I haven't drawn the ones from this show. Transformers Bumblebee CYBERVERSE. Here's one of his back of his skulls. Here's the other part here. Alexa, play Take Over the World.
Take Over the World by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Alexa, lower volume.
I'm Romeo. I am a genius.
Here we are.
The greatest mind you've ever seen. I'm Romeo.
Imagine if Romeo and Starscream were to join forces.
A really cool machine. With my robot, I've got a master plan to defeat the PJ pests in any way I can. Hey, I'm Romeo. I'm gonna take over the world. And don't you know, no one is ever gonna stop me from taking over the world. I'm Romeo.
Quintessons are good guys, aren't they?
I think I know most everything.
Alexa, in the Transformers series, what are Quintessons?
From fandom.com, Quintessons, also known under the racial slur squids, are an ancient race of naturally sadistic, dangerous, and unmerciful mechanoids in a species from the Transformers franchise.
No one is ever gonna stop me from taking over the world.
There's his body. Remember the tentacles that I drew? I drew those.
Looks like
There we are. That is how you draw the Quintesson, known as Starscream. That was really fast. And between you and me, I pledge this Transformer innocent.
No one can defeat Starscream.